What to do if check-in feature not working on iOS 17 or iPhone 15 Pro Max or 15 series? And the first workaround to fix this issue is if you can't see the check-in feature in the messaging app, the first thing you should do is check if you have installed iOS on your iPhone, since the check-in feature is exclusive to iOS 17. So first you should check and update your iOS 17 feature. To do so, go to settings. Here go to general. Here you will find option software update and checking for updates, and iOS 17.1.1 iOS is up to date. The first workaround to fix if check-in issue not showing in iPhone series. The second one is you should ensure iMessage is enabled. One of the most important things to use the iOS 17 check-in feature is to ensure that you have enabled iMessage on your iPhone. Again, go to settings. Here, scroll down and tap on messages. And here, iMessages should be turned on. And also, send and received IP address, Apple ID and your phone number duly showing. The third one is send an iMessage. Check and correctness should be done before sending any check-in request. So your mobile data should also be turned on. Go to mobile service and mobile data check. It should be turned on. Mobile data. The next one is enable location services. To enable location services on your iPhone, go to privacy and security section. Here location services, tap on it and it should be turned on. The next method to check-in not showing in your iPhone, to use the check-in feature, you and your family member friend with whom you wish to share your current status should have updated their iPhone to iOS 17. So if check-in would not work for you, even if you are sorted all the basics, the issue might be at the recipient's end. So your recipients should also be installed iOS 17 on their iPhone. That's all.